Hey everybody, this is Paul, and today I'm going to use this product here, and it's called Microbe Brew by Bushdoctor by Fox Farms. And man, once you start to understand how to use these products kind of together, they're pretty amazing. So since I do not have a compost tea, or I have not made compost tea yet, I want to get into worms, or Scott and I are going to get into worms here pretty soon. But right now, this is going to be a good replacement. So the reason being is we have a lot of new growth, new cuttings, and with new root growth. And this product works really well when, the reason being is when it's this time of year, the fall, we had a hot spell, and also I just amended the soil with chicken manure and composted chicken manure. So when you do that, this adding this will just really promote all the root growth. And let's go mix it up. Here we go. Okay, so there it is. It's Fox Farm Bushdoctor Micro Brew. You can see it's very low dose of fertilizer. It's more of a food, plant food activator. And first, before you go buy it, make sure you buy it before the 2 years after it's been produced. So this is basically expired, but I'm sure it will still be fine. I'm not going to return it, and next time I'll be more cognizant of the date. You can see on the cap has a place for the microbes to breathe and survive for 2 years. So this is basically liquid biology, and what I mean by that is it's just fungi, bacteria, and this will help the plants, the dragon fruit, or any plants in general, because it will require less water if you have these in your soil. So what you want to do is you can apply this with cuttings as soon as possible if you want. Again, at the proper ratio, I'll show you, and use this seasonally. So hot spells, fall, spring, basically all 4 seasons would be fine. But the reason why I'm going to do this today is we had a hot spell, and also I added some composted chicken manure. So pretty easy. All you have to do is mix 2 teaspoons per gallon of water. It smells very earthy and minerally. So 1, 2, and then mix it with a gallon of water. So pretty simple directions, and let's go apply it to the plant now. So don't forget, you can easily find the Fox Farm feeding schedule for help on when the right time is to use this product. But again, seasonally is what I remember and how I use it. So right now I'm about to dump some liquid biology into our dragon fruit barrels. So these are food grade barrels that house sugar. So I'm going to put this entire gallon into, this is about 22.5 gallons, the size of this pot. So definitely pretty easy to do. And right now this will help promote all the fungi and bacteria, and it will actually help me to water less with all these microbes into the soil. So again, I'm using this because we had a hot spell, and I had just applied some chicken manure composted. So these 2 combinations should really help promote strong root growth in the fall season for your dragon fruit. So we'll have plenty of energy for flowers and fruit in the next spring and summer. All right, so there you go. That's how we use this product. It's awesome. Give us a like and a subscribe. Have a great day. Take care. If you have any questions or comments below, Dude, it's creepy.